This video will show you how to set up the customer invite feature for your agency. First, go here to Email Manager. Click here or here for the reservations emails. These are all the emails that you currently have going out as automatic emails to your clients, but you're going to click here on the three little dots in the corner. Here is where you can edit the email that goes out for any forms, and here also is where you're going to edit that invitations email. So we're going to click there, and you'll recognize this system. You can add text, images, whatever you'd like to do. Click in here, change the wording. Don't forget to hit save. We'll close this out. And now we're ready to go invite a new customer. So we can click here or here. Put in the customer's first name, last name, and then their email address. This is a client that is not in our system right now. And then I'll hit invite. Now it's sent her an email, and the next video we will go in and I will show you what that looks like.